So today I want to show you how you can search your email in Gmail for a certain email that you're looking for. As you probably know, you usually have tons of emails. You have when you first come onto the screen for Gmail, you won't find the certain email that you're looking for because you just read it yesterday or a week ago, and so it's way down the list. So they've incorporated this search mail, if you look up here at the top of the screen, where you can search for a certain email using a keyword, and then you can find the email that you were looking for. So for example, if I was interested in going to Macy's and I needed some one of the emails that they sent me to be able to go, then I would come up here and I'd write Macy's in, or just Macy, and then I would search by hitting enter, and then they would all show up, and then I could easily find whatever email I was looking for, and not have to look through all the emails that I receive. So that is how you search for something in Gmail.